The electronic devices we use every day are becoming increasingly smaller, thinner, and multifunctional. As a result, a significant amount of heat is generated inside electronic devices. If heat is not adequately controlled, it can lead to decreased performance of electronic components, malfunctions, and shortened lifespan. To address these heat generation issues, various types of thermal interface materials are used. If you look closely at electronic components, you can see that there are very tiny gaps and irregularities between their surfaces. Air gaps or general adhesives have low thermal conductivity and hinder heat dissipation. So it is important to use teams to fill these microscopic spaces and enhance thermal management and stability of the device. AccuTIM helps efficiently manage heat generated within various electronic devices and is designed for use across a wide range of industries, including automotive, energy systems, telecommunications, and aerospace. AccuTIM offers high thermal conductivity and enables stable heat management through silicone-based materials with excellent electrical insulation properties. AccuTIM cures at room temperature and can cure quickly at a low temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. It also boasts strong durability against blue light, UV, heat, and humidity, allowing it to maintain stable performance even in harsh environments such as high temperatures and high voltages. Oil bleeding, a commonly cited issue in electronic components, can compromise the reliability and lifespan of the device. AccuTIM is formulated with reduced low molecular weight siloxane content to minimize oil bleeding. One of our product lineups, the AccuNano wire-based team, achieves excellent thermal conductivity even in small amounts through a network structure of silver-coated copper nanowires. It offers higher efficiency compared to conventional fillers, and the related technology is protected by patents. AccuTIM, developed with superior technology, has demonstrated its reliability by passing all 14 stringent performance tests related to the MS spec, which defines material performance requirements for automotive components. AccuTIM offers customized thermal management solutions tailored to meet diverse customer needs. Check it out now at Bioneer.